Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 17 beta 3. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we must have to know that your device is ported to iOS 17. Then go back to settings and general and tap software update, and your update of iOS 17 automatically show here. If not, then launch Safari browser and in Google search for profiles. Now we are going to use the first link. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website. Here you can also check the device compatibility and tap on iOS 17. Now iOS 17 beta 3 is ready. Tap on the blue button how to install and follow the instructions. Step 1, backup your iPhone, then 2, and you will get, and you can see, go to settings, general, software update, beta update, and choose on the iOS 17 developer beta option that's shown automatically on your iPhone if your iPhone is supported to iOS 17. And that's it. If you're looking for iOS 17, you can use this method and you will get iOS 17 in your iOS device. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.